Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, mini spare tire. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.